BenQ DMS saves time by allowing you to remotely install, update, and remove apps on multiple devices. You can manage apps on displays individually or in groups. There are two ways to do this. You can either start from the main page by selecting devices or from the software management page by selecting apps. To install from the main page, go to dms.benq.com and log into your BenQ account. Select a device or group of devices and click the Install button. Then click the plus icon. Select the app you want to install from the list or directly from your computer and click Install. The app will be installed on your device and also uploaded to your account for future access. If you want to uninstall an app, simply right-click and select Uninstall Application. You can also install apps from the software management page. On dms.benq.com, click on Software Management. Here's a list of apps available on your account. To add a new app to your account, click Add New and select an app from the File Explorer. You can add a note in the description. Now select the app you would like to install from the list and click the Install button. You can select groups or devices to deploy the app on. Then click Install. Checking the Show Older Version box allows you to manage all versions of your apps that have been uploaded to your account. You can remove unused apps from your account by clicking Delete. With DMS, you can save time by remotely managing apps, freeing you to focus on other tasks.